Hello friends, let us understand how internet works. As we are client requesting for a particular data through browser with a particular URL that we want, such as google.com or else udemy.com or else youtube.com. The request is sent to domain name system server through internet service provider such as Airtel, Jio, BSNL. Whereas we can consider domain name system server as a phone book where it would find a particular internet internet protocol address that is IP for that particular URL we given. The response would be come back through that uh, through internet service provider. It was served through our browser user interface, and let us shortly we are going to look at a demo of that, like how these all responses and requests been passing through, because as Google or else Oracle, all the data centers are so far away from us. Let us look into it. Actually all the data are served to us in packets through these submarine cables, especially that is a fiber optic. This is the map of how the submarine cables are connected. Let us look into the a short demo. Let us head over to Chrome browser, any browser you prefer. This is the browser. Let us give any URL that we want, like Udemy. As we gave a URL and we got a response as quick as possible, right? This is a kind of what we discussed, and as we discussed, the URL we gave will be passed through domain name system servers, right? And it will look after uh, IP address of that uh, particular URL, and the data is served to us, right? And let I request you to head over to nslookup.io, because this will give uh, IP address of any particular URL we give. Let us take any example like Google https google.com. It will give a IP address for a particular URL we gave. Just copy it and we can fetch the same data we want through that IP address. Just as we give, yeah, this is the Google web page we are looking for. We have got without URL through IP address. This is how it looks, right? That's what I want to say. This is how internet works. These were I think these are rough idea so that we can understand. And the softwares required for the upcoming modules are use Chrome browser, specifically if you are using any other browser, because Chrome browser has a lot of developer tools that we can use in our upcoming modules. And download VS Code, where we are going to write our code, write all the code. So download VS Code. I'm not going to show how to download. Just go and just browse how to download. There are a lot of videos out there in YouTube. and just download VS Code so that we can go in our upcoming modules. We have to use that software, use this particular software. Yeah. And a small correction, my dear friends, uh, in our earlier video on 3 minute 55 seconds at that timestamp, I spoke about the database, whereas just we we discussed about SQL and its database management systems. I told you that MongoDB comes under SQL, but it's not true. Like, this is the correction. This is the, like, SQL and no SQL are two types of database systems, whereas Postgres and MySQL comes under SQL DBMS, and MongoDB and Redis, these comes under NoSQL DBMS. We'll discuss a lot more in our upcoming modules about this. Yeah, this is up to me. Thank you.